Good morning, students. Welcome back to the online classes. I hope you all are fine. Obedience. Obedience is the greatest act. Obey everyone. Obey your parents, elders, and everyone. If you obey your parents, you will learn many things. So, obedience is the greatest act. Keep doing it. Let me tell you a hidden fact. The southernmost tip of India, called the Indra Point, it gets submerged under the sea in the tsunami in the year 2004. So it is one of the hidden facts. I hope it will be useful for you. So the southernmost point of India, called the Indra Point, it gets submerged under the sea in the tsunami at the year 2004. Okay children, without any delay, let's get into the class. Today we are going to discuss on a new topic, that is position of India on the world map. I think this topic will be very useful for you. Children, listen carefully and let's get into the class. As you all know, we live in India. India is known for its rich commercial and cultural heritage. India has been home to some of the oldest civilization, such as Indus Valley civilization. India is one of the fastest growing economies. It shows its development in agricultural, industrial and technological sectors. Now let's learn about the position. It means the location of India on the world map. India is a vast country lying extremely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitude 8 degree 4 minutes north and 37 degree 6 minutes north and longitudes 68 degree 7 minutes east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer 23 degree 30 minutes north divides the country into almost two equal parts. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into divides the country into almost two equal parts to the southeast and southwest of the mainland. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lies the Andaman and Nicobar Island and Lakshadweep Island in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. So India is a big country. What is the India's area? Exactly how big it will be? Let me answer this question. The total area of India land masses is 3.28 million square kilometer. So the total area of Indian land masses is 3.28 million kilometers square. It means India is about 24% of the world land area. So India is about 24% of world land area. Let's focus on the out of country in the map. Let's focus on the natural features bounding India. The Engfold Mountains cover the northern and northeast borders of the country. So the Engfold Mountains covers the northern and northeastern borders of the country. The total land boundaries of India is 15,200 kilometer. So the total land boundary is 15,200 kilometer. The coastline of India is 7.5 inches is 6 kilometer. So the coastal line of India is 6 kilometer. As I told you before, India is a big country. India is the 7th largest country in the world. So India is the 7th largest country in the world. India has a land boundary, isn't it? I told you before. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 square kilometer. The total coastland is 6 kilometer. The mainland includes Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep. The mainland includes Andaman, Nicobar and Lakshadweep. These are islands, is about 6 kilometers. This all together is about 6 kilometers. India is bounded by the Young-Fold Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast, south. It is about 22 degree north latitude. It is about 23 degree north latitude. It begins to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. So it begins to taper and extend towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, Arabian Sea on the west and Bay of Bengal on its east. We have discussed about the latitude, longitude, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn and Equator, isn't it? All the hemisphere, zones, we all have discussed it. If you have any doubt in it, you can go through the previous videos and get clear about the hemispheres, poles and the location of the equator. The latitude and longitude. Latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees from the Gujarat through Arunachal Pradesh. So, when you calculate the India, the latitude and the longitude extent to the mainland is about 30 degrees from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. There is a time lag. We have studied about Indian Standard Time, isn't it? The time is different in different countries and continent, isn't it? So, the time lag is about 2 hours. For example, if it is 10 a.m. in Arunachal Pradesh, it could be 8 a.m. in Gujarat. If you see the time lag, it is 10 a.m. in Arunachal Pradesh and it could be 8 a.m. in Gujarat. Though this is the time lag, it's all because, yes, longitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh. You all know about east, west, north and south, isn't it? Where are the east, west and north, south? We have a friend to clearly tell you the location, to recall all the location, the north, east, south, west, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, equator, the poles. So you have a friend to recall all the location. Now let's focus on east-west stretches. Now east-west stretch and north-south stretch. Now we are going to discuss on how these stretches are. The east-west stretch of India looks smaller than the north-south stretch. However, if you actually measure the distance, both the measurements are same. When you see the north-west stretch is about 3,214 kilometers. When you measure west to east, it is about 2,933 kilometers. So more or less they are equal. These stretch, the latitudinal stretch of the country, influence the duration of day and night also. There is also a time lag. They also influence the duration of day and night.
Good morning, friends. I am here to recall all the hemispheres. First, let's discuss about the direction: north, south, east, west. North Pole, South Pole, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, and finally the equator. Is just to recall, children. Have a nice day.
So children, I hope this video will be very useful for you to understand the position, the location and the size of the India on the world map. This will be very useful for you. Listen to this video very carefully, children, and you also have a supplementary video and you have quizzes. Do the quizzes and also look at the supplementary video and also complete the worksheet, children. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.